everyone, welcome back at Charlotte from at Charlotte's House. Today is a dueling DIY update day. If you don't know what dueling DIY is, I will include a link in the video description, but it is a really fun competition that my friend Sarah from Ugly Duckling House started. She invites someone to join her and then they take on a space in their house and they both work on it simultaneously. There's a lot of trash talking, it's a lot of fun. And this go around, she invited me and we are doing the guest room gauntlet. This room, as you know, used to be Louise's nursery, and it's a small space, but when there was a crib, it wasn't such a big deal. Then when she transitioned into a twin bed, it started to feel a little bit cramped. The space wasn't used very well. So I am using this as an opportunity to reimagine the furniture layout and also bring in a little more laundry storage. Please hold. Also, we adopted a dog, and he likes to be with me. So this is Pacey. He's a 2-year-old terrier mix. We got him from a local organization and he is amazing. Is this your YouTube debut, Pace? I've painted. I didn't mind the pink, but I have other plans for fabric and maybe wallpaper. So I wanted the walls to be a little bit calmer, and the white makes a huge difference. And I've already reoriented the bed and it makes such a big difference. I think I mentioned in my last video that the reason we didn't have the bed like this all the time is that we need an air conditioner in here if someone is sleeping here every night, and an air conditioner right over the head of the bed doesn't work. I am going to share an image of the daybed that I have built. So that's part of my update, is that I have built the daybed. It is amazing. It is out in my shed. I didn't want to lug it up here just to take a picture because it's going to go off and get upholstered. I mean, how fancy is that? Sarah's over there at her house, like making a Murphy bed. That daybed is awesome. Other projects that I have, obviously a lot of styling. There's still some excess furniture in here. I need to build some floating shelves. Those are gonna go right between these windows. And I'm still undecided on the window treatments. If this is ever gonna be a guest room, I need some way to cover the windows. So I think I'm gonna wait and see how the wallpaper looks, how all the patterns are coming together, and then I'll figure out what'll look best on the windows. I'm gonna share some of the accessories that I've purchased because that's the best part of any room makeover. Can I get an amen? I also have made some DIY projects with this room in mind. I have already posted them on my blog, so I photographed them in different spaces around the house. I'm gonna share some screen grabs of those in the video right now, just so you can see projects that might make an appearance in here. I'm not sure yet. Again, I have to pull the space together, but I've made a piece of artwork, I've made a wall hanging, I've made some baskets. So those are all things with the colors that I'm envisioning for the space, and when it all comes together, they may or may not end up back in here. One of the best parts about dueling DIY is that we get to talk smack with each other. And the funniest thing about this is that we were talking smack on, I can't remember if it was a blog post or YouTube, and one of my sweet followers messaged me and she said, oh, you can't engage with these trolls. There's always people on the internet that are so mean. And I had to respond and say, no, that's part of the fun. So if you see any crazy looking lady with paint in her hair commenting on any of my posts, it's probably Sarah, and it's all in good fun. That said, if any of you care to hop over to her account or her YouTube video and leave a friendly comment, you didn't hear it from me. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel to get updates about dueling DIY. Make sure you head over to Sarah's house to see what work she's done on her guest room, and have a great day, you guys.